Hello, everyone. Today you'll meet Liam and listen to his story. As you listen, pay attention to the highlighted phrasal verbs he uses. After the story, we'll go over the meanings together. So sit back, relax, and let's follow Liam through his day.
Hi, I'm Liam. My full name is William, but everyone calls me Liam. I was named after my grandfather, who was a painter. My mom says I take after him, not just because I love art, but also because I'm calm and patient like he was. I live with my parents and my twin brothers, Noah and Ethan. They look so much alike that people can't tell them apart sometimes. But I can. I've known them all my life. We usually get on with each other pretty well, though we argue about silly things sometimes. Every morning, I wake up at around 7. It usually takes me a few minutes to actually get up, especially on Mondays. I scroll through my phone for a few minutes before going to the bathroom. Then I put on my uniform, grab my backpack, and head out. After school, I like to hang out with my friends at a small cafe near our neighborhood. We talk, laugh, and sometimes plan our weekend trips. When I get back home, I chill out for a while. Maybe watch a few videos or listen to music. In the evening, I figure out what homework I need to do, and then help look after my little cousin when she visits. She always wants me to draw her favorite cartoon characters. Speaking of drawing, art is my biggest passion. Last year, I took up sketching seriously. I love to try out new techniques I find online and join in local art challenges with my friends. It's fun and helps me learn new things. I also try to keep up with other artists on social media and always look forward to their posts. Sometimes I post my own drawings too, but only when I'm really proud of them. Of course, it's not always easy. There are days when I feel stuck, but I never give up. Instead, I work on improving little by little. Once, I even ran out of ideas for a whole week, but when inspiration finally came, the result turned out great. Art makes me happy, and I think I'll always keep it as part of my life.
And that's it. The colorful life of Liam. You heard how he talks about his family, his routines, and his hobbies, using real English phrasal verbs. Now, let's take a closer look at those verbs and what they mean. Name after. To give someone the same name as another person. Take after. To be similar to an older family member. Live with. To share the same home with someone. Tell apart. To see the difference between two very similar people or things. Get on with. To have a good relationship with someone. Wake up. To stop sleeping. Get up. To get out of bed. Put on. To wear clothes. Head out. To leave home and go somewhere. Hang out. To spend time relaxing. Get back. To return. Chill out. To relax. Figure out. To find the answer or understand something. Look after. To take care of someone. Take up. To start a new hobby or activity. Try out. to test or experiment with something. Join in, to participate in an activity. Keep up with, to stay updated or informed. Look forward to feel excited about something that will happen. Give up, to stop doing something. Work on, to make an effort to improve or complete something. Run out of, to have no more of something. Turn out, to happen or result in a certain way. You've just learned some useful phrasal verbs that English speakers use in real life. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next story.